Hi, this is Tim with Team Tropic Thunder. This is our operations and management presentation. First off, our critical core processes for our operational model. We'd like to provide a permanent and full solution to the consumer problem through continued interaction with the consumer and the feedback that we receive from them. So we'd like to continually build and improve our processes and our product, make sure that we're always satisfying the customer's needs. We want to also ensure that all of our devices meet our internal and standards and the customer expectations. This will be achieved through quality assurance testing, extensive quality assurance testing, and we'd also want to make sure that our product achieves its the desired goal efficiently. The whole idea behind this is to improve efficiency, so if our product in itself isn't efficient, then that's kind of a drawback, so we need to make sure that everything performs its job basically perfectly. And then we just, it's an iterative process, so we'll internally continually improving again upon our processes and our product to better meet the customer's needs. I'm sure you've seen this before, but this is our value network. Where we fit in, particularly in this, is right there in the middle before we go to Home Depot. We won't be manufacturing any of the sensors, the light bulbs, the wiring, but we'll receive that from our suppliers, shown here, Sylvania, Sype Electric Group, Linzen Trade Company. We'll take it. Of course, this is making sure that everything works in conjunction with each other, with any modifications necessary, bundle it together into our final product, package it up, and send it to our retail stores. Again, Home Depot, Lowe's, those sorts of places where it'll be sold directly to the customer. So that's what we're involved in, and everybody else will take care of the rest. We won't be distributing it directly to the customer. We'll have retail centers that will do that. We won't be producing our own electronics. We will get them pre-made. The current team is made up of 3 members. We have Austin, who's head of our research and development. Me, Tim White, currently the team leader, the CEO of our enterprise company, and Travis, who is our current chief financial officer. He's responsible for bringing in initial investments, meeting investors, and just following up with them on our progress and making sure that we'll be able to count on them when we need funding for our development cycles. Austin's particular strength is his technical knowledge in this area that we're developing our product in is very high. He's very organized. He's able to maintain a schedule, stays on tasks, make sure that we stay with the development cycle, and he's through previous experience he's able to effectively manage teams to achieve desired goals. Tim has a good business sense, and along with that, a good understanding of our product, so we're kind of able to see the whole big picture where we are financially and technically with our product. And then Travis is very friendly. He's a very personable people person, and he's a good salesman, so he's able to sell our product to our investors and to satisfy all of their questions, make sure that they'll be at ease, they'll be able to receive a large return on their investment. Both immediately and in the future, we would obviously need to bring in additional leadership. That way we can manage multiple development cycles at the same time, so simultaneous development of products. Also, with our limited experience of running a corporation of this size and nature, we may need to bring in additional people, maybe replace me as the CEO with somebody more experienced in the area. Also need to bring in additional engineers, mostly people that are in the electrical and mechanical, especially electrical though. That's one area that we're currently lacking on for our research and development, so we'll bring more of those people in, both immediately and plan to build for the future. Our current advisory board, we have Dan O'Neill and an unnamed mentor that we're currently being assigned. We're desired board of advisors would include Rob Ryan, James Swanson, Michael Baird, Donald Trump, and Marcus Pearson, and Gabe Newell. All these people have shown extreme genius in developing their own companies, selling the companies for billions of dollars, making large business enterprises, and they're all very business savvy. Rob Ryan wrote the Smart Ups, so he knows just about everything about starting a technological enterprise and building it from the ground up. James and Michael Baird are also co-authors of the Engineering Your Startup, so we thought that they would be beneficial to the team. Our current board of directors include all of our 3 team members. Desired would be Warren Buffett, Michael Dell, Richard Branson, Jeffrey Immelt, and Paul Allen. Again, all these people are American business magnates, huge, business names. They know tons about the technological industry and how to start your own company and build it from the ground up to a multi-million, billion-dollar company. So that's our presentation. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to discussing with you further.